Hi everyone, today we are going to explain Didacticism in English literature. Well, before I explain it, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. Well, without wasting time, let's move on. Basically, the term didactic is derived from a Greek word that is didactikos, which means teaching. So what is didacticism in English literature? Basically, it is not that much difficult as you think so, but it refers to a kind of literature that emphasizes the idea that the literary work of any author, a writer, should teach something to people along with entertainment. Yes, basically as you know that the main function of literature is entertainment. But those who believe in didacticism claim that the main function of literature is not only entertainment but also instruction or teaching. I think still you are not getting the point. Simply let me give you an example so then you will understand it. Basically, the people who are the educators of didacticism say that if you are a novelist or dramatist, you should not write dramas or novels just for entertainment, but you should teach your readers about morality, humanism, political awareness, and religion, etc., through your literary work, whether that is drama or novel. So, simply it is called didacticism in English literature. The best example of didacticism or didactic literature is miracle plays and morality plays of medieval period of English literature. If we talk about morality plays, basically these plays were designed to teach audience about morality, ethics, and Christians' values. The characters in these plays were often represented as virtues and evils. And at the end of the play, virtues would dominate and evils would face defeat. So, by this way, the audience would get a lesson. So, it was a didactic literature because it was aimed to teach people or instruct people. So, simply you can say that when you try to teach people or instill some ideas in their mind through literature, so that kind of literature will be called what? Didactic literature. Whether it is if you write a drama, whether if you write a novel, so when you try to teach them something through your literary work, so that is simply call it didactic literature or didacticism in English literature. I hope that guys you have enjoyed this lecture. If you have enjoyed this lecture, please tell me in comment box, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.